Hey everyone, and welcome back to Summarize Science. Have you ever looked at a complex subway map and felt a bit lost? Well, it turns out that even some of the most advanced AI models struggle with this exact task. Today, we're looking at a paper that introduces REWARDMAP, a fascinating new way to teach AI how to read and reason with complex images like transit maps. Modern AI can generate amazing images and text, but when it comes to detailed spatial reasoning like planning a route, they often get confused or make things up. As you can see in these examples, a standard AI model might pick the wrong line or even hallucinate a route that doesn't exist. The core of the problem is something called sparse rewards. Imagine trying to learn chess, but you're only told if you won or lost at the very end of the game, with no feedback on any of your individual moves. That's what it's like for an AI learning these tasks. It makes learning incredibly slow and inefficient. To solve this, the researchers first built a better training ground, a new dataset called REASONMAP-PLUS. Instead of just asking for a full, complex route, this dataset includes simpler questions like, how many lines pass through this station? Or, is this station on the same line as that one? This gives the AI more opportunities to get things right and receive positive feedback, creating denser rewards. Next, they designed a multi-stage training curriculum. The AI starts with the easy stuff, the simple perception questions from the new dataset. Once it masters those, it graduates to the harder reasoning tasks, like planning multi-stop journeys. This step-by-step approach builds a solid foundation of understanding before tackling the really complex problems. They also created a smarter reward system that gives partial credit. So, if the AI gets the starting station and the line correct, but messes up the final stop, it still gets some points, helping it learn what it did right. And the results are pretty impressive. As these tables show, the model trained with their REWARDMAP framework drastically outperformed standard models on map-based tasks. Visually, you can see the difference. The model trained with REWARDMAP consistently finds the correct route, avoiding the confusion and errors of the other models. What's even more interesting is that this new skill wasn't just limited to maps. The model also showed significant improvements on 6 other benchmarks for general visual reasoning, proving it had learned a more fundamental skill. So to recap, the researchers tackled the AI's inability to read complex maps by creating a new dataset with simpler questions and a multi-stage training process that starts easy and gets progressively harder. They also designed a more nuanced reward system that gives partial credit, guiding the AI much more effectively. This is a big step forward for fine-grained visual reasoning. Imagine future AI assistants that can actually help you navigate a new city's transit system or help professionals interpret complex diagrams and blueprints with high accuracy. This work provides a powerful blueprint for teaching AI to understand the structured, detailed world we see around us. That's all for today on Summarize Science. Thanks for watching.